Now, let's talk about securing the two main places where your business lives, your devices and the cloud. First, your endpoints. This is just a technical term for the devices that connect to your network, your laptop, your smartphone, your tablet. Securing them comes down to a few basics. First, use antivirus or anti-malware software. Think of this as a basic immune system for your devices. The built-in options like Windows Defender or macOS Gatekeeper are excellent and free. Second, make sure your device firewall is on. It usually is by default. This acts like a bouncer for your device's internet connection, filtering out unwanted traffic. And third, enable device encryption, like FileVault on Mac or BitLocker on Windows. This means if your laptop is ever lost or stolen, the data on it is scrambled and unreadable without your password. It's like putting your most important documents in a safe, even if the whole office gets taken. Now, your cloud. Services like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, or Dropbox, where your data actually lives online. Security here is different. You're sharing responsibility with the provider. Your job is to manage access carefully. Follow the principle of least privilege. This means you only give an employee access to the specific files or folders they absolutely need to do their job, nothing more. Review these permissions regularly. Audit your sharing links. Periodically check your cloud storage for files shared with anyone with the link. Make sure those open links are still necessary and appropriate. Finally, use your cloud provider's own security tools. Turn on activity logs and alerts in Google or Microsoft 365. These can show you unusual sign-ins, like someone logging in from a country you don't operate in, or bulk downloads of your files. It's your window into what's happening with your data. All of these tools lead us to a crucial, often overlooked principle: why tools alone don't work without visibility. Buying a security tool is like installing a sophisticated burglar alarm in your shop. It's completely useless if you never check to see if it's armed or if you ignore it when it goes off. Here's the problem. You might have multi-factor authentication available, but is it actually enforced for everyone? Your backups might be running, but have you ever tried to restore a file to prove they actually work? Your antivirus is installed, but is it updating itself and scanning regularly? The solution is visibility. You need a way to see the status of your defenses. This means checking reports, verifying your backups aren't corrupted, and ensuring security settings are applied correctly. Without this ongoing oversight, you don't have security. You have a false sense of security. The tool is just a box sitting on a shelf. Now, you might wonder, is this just my plan, or is it the right plan? I want you to know that the actions in this module aren't just our advice. They directly implement globally recognized foundational security controls. They align with CIS Controls 1 through 6, the first and most essential set of rules from the Center for Internet Security, which include the inventory you did, secure configurations, and managing vulnerabilities. That's your patching. This entire module is the execution of the NIST CSF Protect function. It's all about putting safeguards in place to limit damage. What this means is simple. You are no longer guessing. You are now building your security program on a rock-solid, expert-approved foundation. You're following the same blueprint used by organizations around the world to build their defenses.